Hey, what's up guys, this is Ayan from Course Canyon, and today we are going to see the best Selenium online courses that you can take right now and improve your web testing and automation skills. Now these courses are curated and all of them have a good rating on their respective platforms. I have also given direct links to all the courses in the description below. I have also attached a Google spreadsheet on which I have listed all the courses in case you want to keep tabs on these courses for future reference. So let's get started. At number 11, we have Create an Automated Browser Test with Selenium in C# from Pluralsight. Now Pluralsight courses are made in-house in collaboration with some of the top skilled people. These courses are updated based on the latest trends in the tech industry. The author of this course is Jason Roberts, who has over 15 years of experience as a front-end and back-end developer and is a Microsoft.NET MVP, a freelance developer and an author. This course duration is a little more than 4 hours and is directed to people who know a little bit about Selenium and how it works. Now tools like Selenium helps in automated browser tests and give you increased confidence that your web app is working correctly before deploying to production. Some of the main topics you will learn in this course are introducing automated web tests with Selenium, creating a Selenium WebDriver test project in C#, interacting with the browser using Selenium WebDriver, selecting and manipulating HTML elements, advanced HTML selections and manipulations, filling out and submitting HTML forms with Selenium, advanced browser manipulation, and creating easy-to-maintain Selenium test codes. For those of you who know how to work with C# programming language and want to learn Selenium, then this course will be beneficial for you. At number 10, we have Web and Mobile Testing with Selenium. This is a course provided by Coursera. Now for some of you who don't know, Coursera is one of the top online education platforms in the world where you can get some of the best courses that are well produced and organized. Coursera collaborates with different colleges and universities to provide you with some of the best courses online. Now this is a course you can take for free if you don't want a certification of completion. This course is offered by the University of Minnesota and you will have two instructors in this course, Sanjay Raidurgam, who is the director of the University of Minnesota Software Engineering Center, and Kevin Wendt, who is the director of Graduate Studies, Software Engineering Department. The course comes with 15 hours of content with flexible deadlines that you can follow with ease. If you have any queries, the course instructor is always there for you to clarify your problems. At number 9, we have automated tests in Java with Fluent interface using WebDriver Selenium from Pluralsight. The instructor of this course is Andrei Doronins. He is a quality assurance professional and participates in the requirement analysis to test creation and their automation. This course will help you in learning to create a Fluent interface for your tests and make them highly readable, easy to maintain, and pleasant to work with. This course is an intermediate course and is for those who know a little bit about how Selenium works. Some of the things you will learn in this course are understanding the Fluent interface, applying the page object pattern, implementing the basic Fluent interface with method chaining, improving and refactoring the Fluent interface, and advanced Fluent interface design. The course has 1 hour 38 minutes of content and has a review of 5 stars in Pluralsight. At number 8, we have automated web testing with Selenium and WebDriver using Java from Pluralsight. The instructor of the course is Brian Hansen, who is a director at a Software Technology Group, a consulting company based out of Salt Lake City. This course will teach you to test web applications using record and playback approach with Selenium, and then a more advanced approach using WebDriver. This course is an intermediate course and is for those who have done a beginner's course or know the basic workings of Selenium tool. Some of the things you will learn in this course are using the Selenium IDE, understanding WebDriver, applying advanced WebDriver techniques, using Selenium Server, and building a framework using Selenium. The course has 3 hours 14 minutes of content and has a 4-star rating in Pluralsight. At number 7, we have Selenium WebDriver with Java, Basics to Advanced plus Frameworks from Udemy. The instructor of this course is Rahul Shetty, who is an instructor at rahulshettyacademy.com. This course will teach you the core Selenium WebDriver and Java basics and give real-time challenges with 100+ examples. The course is beginner friendly and is perfect for people who are a complete beginner and don't have any prior knowledge. Some of the things you will learn in this course are Selenium and Java basics, in-depth core Java for manual testers and beginners, configuring Selenium and running tests, locator techniques and identifying objects, techniques to automate web elements, functional testing with Selenium, different automating techniques, Selenium Java streams, cross-browser testing, different tool frameworks like Maven, Jenkins, TestNG and so on, Git basics and more. The course has in total 54 hours of content and has a star rating of 4.6. At number 6, we have Selenium WebDriver Masterclass with CHash from Udemy. The instructor of this course is Nikolai Advolokian, who is a solutions architect and a teacher. This course will help you in learning how to use Selenium WebDriver with CHash from scratch. The course is beginner friendly and is for the people who are complete beginner. Some of the things you will learn in this course are creating a Selenium WebDriver framework from scratch using CHash, CHash programming basics, setting up Selenium WebDriver resources, locating web elements with WebDriver, navigation, manipulation and interrogation, implicit and explicit waits, parallel test execution with NUnit, and page objects, TDD, sprints, and much more. The course has over 28.5 hours of content and has a star rating of 4.3. At number 5, we have Create Your First Automation Script Using Selenium and Java from Coursera. The instructor of this course is Saurabh Dhingra, who is a test automation architect and DevOps specialist. This course is a guided project by Coursera that will teach you concepts like Eclipse IDE, setting up a Java project for Selenium automation testing, writing test automation scripts, and interacting with web elements. The course is beginner friendly and you will be guided throughout the entire course, as this course is interaction driven and will enable you to have a comprehensive learning experience that combines hands-on learning and guided instructions. Some of the things you will learn in this course are setting up Java project for automation scripts, running automation scripts on Chrome browser, writing test case using TestNG, interacting with elements and web applications, interacting with web elements like radio button and links, and interacting with web tables on a web application. The course has 2 hours of content and has a star rating of 4.5. At number 4, we have Scraping Dynamic Web Pages with Python and Selenium from Pluralsight. The instructor of this course is Pratirth Padman, who is a freelance data scientist. This course will help you go all the way from saying hello to Selenium to then combining it with Python and Beautiful Soup to learn all about extracting information from a dynamic web page. This course is an advanced course and is for those who have some experience in using Selenium. Some of the things you will learn in this course are exploring Selenium with Python, locating elements and navigating dynamic web pages, loading Selenium page source into Beautiful Soup, and overcoming challenges and increasing efficiency. The course has 1 hour 7 minutes of content and has a star rating of 4 in Pluralsight. At number 3, we have Elegant Browser Automation with Python and Selenium from Udemy. The instructor of this course is Brandon Blair, who is a software engineer. This course will help you in learning fast, scalable, professional-grade UI automation using Selenium. The course is beginner-friendly, but you should have some basic knowledge of the Python programming language. Some of the things you will learn in this course are setting up your environment, browser automation basics, and professional browser automation. The course has 7 hours of content and is the highest rated course on Udemy at the time. At number 2, we have Learning Selenium and Selenium Essential Training from LinkedIn Learning. This is a 2-part course. In the first part, you will learn the introductory basics, and in the second part, you will learn intermediate levels of skills and techniques required to use Selenium. The instructor of this course is Megan Lewis, who is a technical program manager at Microsoft. These 2 courses together will help you in mastering the Selenium tool and taking your skills to the next level. Now you can take any of these courses independent of each other, provided you satisfy the prerequisites of these courses. These courses are from beginner to intermediate. and are for those who know nothing about Selenium and want to go to intermediate level. Some of the things you will learn in this course are Selenium basics like WebDriver, grid, writing effective tests, review fundamentals, using advanced locators, how to interact with components, how to deal with synchronization issues, and project integration like connecting to GitHub and setting up CI servers and so on. These 2 courses in total has 4 to 5 hours of content. Now at number 1 we have 4 courses combined that you should take together to become an advanced Selenium user. The courses are from LinkedIn Learning, and each of these courses independently provides in-depth learning catering to different aspects of the Selenium tool. These 4 courses are advanced. The 4 courses are Advanced Selenium Automation Frameworks, Advanced Selenium Page Objects and GUI Automation, Advanced Selenium Support Classes, and Advanced Selenium 3 Synchronization Strategies. The instructor of this course is Jane Waldrip, who specializes in test automation and implementing QA processes. These courses combined will help you go from intermediate to advanced in no time. These 4 courses combined are directed to people who are intermediate and knows how to use Selenium. If you are a beginner, I recommend you seeing the 2 courses on the second number in our list. Some of the things you will learn in these courses are using automation frameworks with Ruby, Node.js, and Java, understanding abstractions like support, logic, execution, and element abstractions, page objects and abstraction design decisions, locators, state and element synchronization, working with page objects with Page Factory, logging with event firing WebDriver, synchronization with WebDriver wait, synchronizing with JavaScript executor, dealing with synchronized components and libraries, and dealing with waiting considerations. These 4 courses in total have 8 hours 30 minutes of content. So there you have it, best Selenium courses. We have also linked a Google spreadsheet with direct links to these courses if you want to bookmark them for future use. And don't forget to like and subscribe this video, as it helps our channel to get off the ground and reach people like you. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.